gentlemen, welcome to another segment of Soul Talk. So, today, my topic is the positives of human development. In our last video, we talked about the positives of human development. In our last video, we talked about human development. So, this aspect is on the positives of human development. So, the first aspect of it is the first reason why we need human development is it will help improve the person that engages in it. As human beings, we know we are not perfect. We have flaws in our characters. And by engaging in human development, those areas of your life, when you feel you are not living up to what you expect, you can upgrade it. Let's say, for example, the common flaws in character we usually have in Nigeria is some of us don't have patience. We don't have it. We must get our own, we must do it sharp sharp, and we don't have patience. We don't have time to waste for anybody. We want to get it sharp sharp and get to keep it going. Some of us is some of us the problem for some of us is that we feel everybody's against us. So we always have to, anytime somebody says something that may be mean or critical of us, we go on attack. We don't wait for anything. And that of us may be tolerance. We don't tolerate anybody. Our own is either our own way or the highway. That's it. So in human development, you in those areas of your life that you see that is giving you problems that other people have mentioned to you, you work on it. And by working on it, you make yourself a better person. Because by working on it, not only do you improve your relationship with people, but you also feel better inside. If you are someone that is always aggressive or always impatient, when you practice those things you have learned, you feel good because you feel you are developing or you have changed from the old you. So, the second aspect of human development is value. You see, when you engage in human development, what you come to realize is you develop value. Then what you realize is there are some things that you cherish. We live in a country whereby the things that we cherish are not things we should cherish. Or what I really mean by that is, as a country, we cherish wealth more than health. That's why some people wake up 4 o'clock and go to work to go and make this amount of money, make that amount of money. Some downfall drivers will endanger their life and life of their passenger to pick up the next passenger so they can make some amount of money. So, in several aspects of our society, there are several things that we cherish that is not something that we should cherish. Some of us, what we value is we value the women, we value the amount of women we sleep with. I've seen some people that do that. Their self-worth is dependent on how many women they take to bed every month. And all these things some people is based on trivial things. And this only comes as a result of a person is not developing themselves. Some people, what they value is what they can put into their mouth. That's it. Nothing else matters. Whether it's relationship with people, nothing. It's just about that hedonistic lifestyle. Let me just enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. That is what they care about. So, human development will, by engaging yourself, by developing yourself, what you come to realize is you will come to realize your values. You will have certain values. And hopefully, these values will be positive. So, human development is very, very important. Because when you continue to develop yourself, you develop healthy values. But when you fail to develop yourself, what you realize is you will develop unhealthy values. You may be engaging in things that will not get you anywhere. But when you take time out to read, to study, to evaluate yourself, to introspect, then you see areas of your life where you could have done something this way, but you did it that way, and then you improve yourself, you develop value. You value your relationship with people, you value peace of mind, you value these things that really matter, and not money and all the other things all the other necessary things that will not actually help you, will only cause you grief. Another positive of human development is you are less likely to fall into vices. In Nigeria, if you look now, there are more vices than before. And if we count them, let's count the people that are the bars where people drink to stupor. Let's count the betting houses where people bet and all this stuff. Let's count all these areas where these Agbero boys make small money here under the bridge. They will charge this person for that. There's so much vices in the country. Internet fraud is there. Bribery and corruption is there. So there's so much vices in the country that you need to develop yourself, because if you fail to develop yourself, you will fall into the hole of one of these vices. I was with a mechanic one day, and I just sat down with him. We was repairing a car, so I spent the whole day with him. It was not what I would have loved, but I had to. And what I noticed was this man kept going from one vice to another. He would smoke as he was doing the car, then he would drink in the process, then he would chase women, still while he's repairing the car, then he would go and bet a number, and after that, he went to eat for almost 2 hours. And the more I just watched him, I couldn't believe that someone can engage in all these vices at the same time. How can you be repairing a car and you be smoking weed there, and you are still repairing the car, you are betting at the same time, you are eating, you are chasing women, all these vices in one day? And so I don't even have to know where the money I'm going to pay him is going to go to. The vices are going to eat it up. But if you continually develop yourself, you will know how to maneuver through all these vices that are always in play in Nigeria, and it's everywhere. Nigeria has become one big, at least Lagos has become one big betting house. Everybody is betting, every corner is betting, and you have to develop yourself so you know not to fall into this trap of this betting madness that has engulfed Nigeria. Another aspect again why human development is good is it makes you knowledgeable. You see, by continuing developing yourself, you know more. You read more, you know more. You act better. So being knowledgeable is important, because in Nigeria now, there's so much people passing wrong information. So much people passing wrong information. It can be, I've come across some pastors that have said something and I'm like, really? So you tell your congregation this? Because of there are so much people that don't know, that claim that they know. If you are someone that develop yourself, so you can spot where they are lying and just know that this man is not saying the truth. I was with some man yesterday. He was talking about, one man asked him, the Baba asked him, so why is it that some women don't bring their children out after they give birth to them? Why do they stay in the house for like few months before they come out? The man said, oh, the reason is because they don't want the witches to see the baby star. That's why they cover their baby and keep them in the house. I wanted to say something, but the conversation was one of those conversations that it was just ignorance from one side, ignorance from another. And you trying to tell them this is the knowledgeable thing is just going to end up causing more problems for you. So I just sat back and I watched. And the other one was like, wow. That you know, said that's the reason why many poor people have poor children, because they bring their children out and someone calls them and see the child star. So that's why poor people cannot have rich children in the future. And I just felt, man, this is really ridiculous that it's coming out from this man. The truth is, when you develop yourself, you are less likely to fall into the hands of all these people that don't know what they are talking about. Again, human development is essential because in Nigeria, they are always playing a game where they play you against the other. Oh, you are Igbo, so you are against Yoruba. Or you are Yoruba, so you should be against Hausa. And they tell you wrong information about each side. And then you go and say, oh, me, I'm fighting for the Igbos, I'm fighting for the Hausas. And you end up wasting your life. I remember before I went to the north, they used to tell me that if you go to north, once you come down, once they know you're Igbo, they will kill you. And I believe that, but when I had to go to north for NYSC, I went in there, I said I was Igbo, nobody killed me, I went, enjoyed Adamawa, I came back, nothing happened. But if I was one of those people that never took that chance to go there to see, I would believe everything that they say, and I would live in fear. And because I'm not knowledgeable, people can manipulate me, they can say, oh, they are killing Igbos in the north. So the Yorubas here, the Hausas here, we have to kill them, or the Hausas in our village, let's go and kill them. And you partake in something that is based on something that is not even real. You engage in maybe killing an innocent person or doing something horrific because of false information. So another idea, and that idea is being knowledgeable. The last part is being knowledgeable. It makes you an ideal employer, an ideal employee. When you know about lots of things, you've developed yourself, you are more desirable in the marketplace because everybody wants staff or employees want an employer that is always developing, someone that always knows, that is always on to the next thing, someone that is moving forward, someone that keeps studying. And he who earns more only does because they know more. Nobody's going to pay somebody that doesn't know anything money to do what they don't know. Nobody does that. So, but that is very, very important. And when you are knowledgeable about things, not only can you be productive, but you can also look for a way to make money out of it legally. And I think that's why human development is very, very important. Because at the end of the day, you develop yourself, and by developing yourself, you can even help develop others. So what I advise is that for human development, we should look for ways in our life where we can continually improve ourselves. Studying, partaking in civic activities like voting or joining a political party, and just try to do something for doing something for our community. Because it's all part of it. You do something, you go out of your way to get in contact with other people and rub minds with people so you don't get left behind. And that is very, very important. That's why human development is important, because it makes you a better person, makes you a positive to our society rather than a negative. So that's all I have to say on that, on human development. I hope someone heard what I'm saying. So read more, learn more, know more, so you can be more. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this video. Like it, love it, share it, tweet it, Instagram it. Just have a good one. Bye.